Hello, 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 hello. Good evening and welcome again to our class. Johnny, are you there? Hello. Good evening, good evening. Good evening. Okay, wait. Hello. Good evening, Johnny. I can see you. Good evening and welcome again to our class. So it's nice to see you again, Johnny. It's nice to see you. Wow. Hello, Johnny. How are you today? How are you today?
Good,
Good, very
good.
good. And did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat? Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, wow, that's very good to know. So for this one, we will start our lesson. So we are still at the unit 7, which is Science Day. Okay. Johnny, where are you? Johnny. Johnny. Hello again. So- Johnny. You okay? Hello again, Johnny. Okay, so for our today's lesson, so we are still at Unit 7, which is Science Day. Okay, so can you read this one? Okay, but first, wow, Johnny is dancing. What are you dancing to? Wow, so cute. What
Thank you.
Wow, Johnny is very good at dancing. Wow. What music are you dancing to? You are so
Happy
good.
birthday.
Very good. Now, let us review what we have learned last time. So now let's
Nine.
look at the picture. What is this?
Nine. Nine.
Ay, very good. How about this one? This is
This is ice.
very good. These are eyes. Where is your eye, Johnny? Can you point to your eyes? Where is your eyes? Or where are your eyes? Where are your eyes? Wow, very good. Good job. So these are they are your eyes. Very good. Next, what is our next one? What do you call this one? This is, what is this? This is, what is this, Johnny?
This is
Nose. This is our nose. So
no.
where is your nose? Can you? Yes, very good. So this is my nose. Next, what is this in the picture? What is this? This is, what do we call this in the picture? This is our mouth.
This
That's
is our mouth.
very
Mouth.
good.
Mouth.
Oh, wow, very good, Johnny. Can you point your mouth? Where is your mouth? Where is your mouth? Wow, what is that? What cards are that?
Car.
Cards. What cards? Are
Wooden.
the
Wooden.
what's that? Is that
Cartoon.
a cartoon?
Wooden.
Cartoon. Cartoon. Are there Pokemon on there?
K-U-N. K-U-N. K-U-N.
K-U-N? Cartoon?
Yes.
Yes. Are there Pokemon cards on there?
No,
No?
this is a car band. Band.
Oh. Can you tell me about that card? Can I see those cards?
Yes.
Can I see? Ah, you eat that card? Don't eat the card. It's paper. It might choke you. Next. Okay, let's go to our next one. What is this? This is
Ears.
ear. How about
Is
ear? Very good. How about what do we call them if there are two or more ear?
two or more ear.
We call them ears. So we will add s. So we call them ears. Let's say ear.
Ears.
Yes, very good. So we add s. So where is your ears or where are your ears, Johnny? Where are your ears? Can you point your ears?
Nose.
No? Where are your ears? Very good. Good job. Very good, Johnny. Next. Okay, now let's look at this one. So are these my ears? Are these my ears?
Are these? Yes, it is.
Is this an ear? Are these my ears?
No. No, it
No,
isn't.
it isn't.
Oh no,
So
no, no. Oh no! What's this, teacher?
it is my cat. It is so playful.
Ah,
It is a cat.
Johnny is snake. Oh, oh,
Okay, now let's read this one. So, are these my ears? Yes or no?
no, no, they are.
Very good. So, no, they aren't. So, good job. How about this one? Is this my eye? Yes or no?
No,
No,
no, no, it isn't.
wow, very good. No, it isn't. So remember, so when we answer our this question, so we answer them with yes, they are, or no, they aren't. But if we answer is this question, so we answer them yes, it is, and no, it isn't. So very good. So good job in remembering this grammar pattern or grammar or sentence pattern. So now let us go with our new lesson for today. So can you read our new lesson for today? What is our lesson for today? It is about
Lesson 3 story.
story. Very good. So we will read a story for our today's lesson. So let us go with our next page. Okay, so first let's listen about our story. So listen.
Listen.
I can't see.
No, 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 listen, listen.
Oh, wait.
No.
Can you listen? Can you hear? No. No.
No.
How about
Sure.
now?
Page 68.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
let's listen.
Page 68. Lesson 3. Page 68. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the
About
pictures.
pictures
Then listen and
and
read.
read.
I can't see.
I can't see.
What is it? I
What
don't
is-
know.
I don't know.
I can't see.
I can't see.
Excuse me.
Excuse
Sure.
me.
Thank you. Oh, look! It's Julie and Emma.
Wow. Okay, now let's listen once again. So listen again, okay?
Page 68. Lesson Page 68. Lesson 3. Story. A. Talk about the pictures. Then listen and
And
read.
read.
I can't see.
I can't see.
What is it? I don't know. I can't see. Excuse
Let's-
me.
Sure.
Thank you. Oh, look! It's Julie and Emma.
Okay, so that is our story. So now, Johnny, what is the title of our story? So our story is about
I don't know. Don't
I
know.
I
Can't
can't
see.
I can't
Excuse me.
see.
Sure. Thank you. Oh,
Mhm.
look. It's Julie and Emma.
Wow, very good. So that is
Page
our
6.
story for okay, let
Page
me
60.
our story for today. So you have read those ones. So what happens in the story? So can you tell teacher what happens in the story? What happens in the boy? The two boys, the boys.
I can't see.
Yes, very good. So can you read this one, Johnny? The two boys can't see what's happening. That is why. So, what do they said to the man after saying they can't see? What do they said? They said, what do they said when the what do they said? This one. What did they say to the person in front so they can see? They said, "Excuse me." So for this one, they said,
Excuse me.
"Yeah,
Excuse me. Excuse
yeah,
me.
excuse me." So we use this word. So we use excuse me if we want to tell the person or we want to have the attention of the person in front of us. So we will say, "Excuse me." So that is being polite. So now, what did this man do when they say, "Excuse me"? What happened when they said, "Excuse me"? So the man in front, so they move. And what happened in the last picture in the story? So they saw their friend, which is Julie. What is the name of their friend? Johnny. What is the name of their friend? It is Julie and Emma. Let's say Julie and Emma. So in this story, so in the first scene, so they cannot see what's happening in front. That is why they said to the man, this man, They said, "Excuse me." And the man moved. The man said, "Sure." And after that, they said, "Thank you," or "Thank you." And since the man moved, so they can now see what is happening in front. So they saw their friend, which is Julie and Emma, which is touching this electric thing. That is why their hair, so it got spikes. So it stands. So our lesson for this, or our value for this story is be polite. Can you say that one, Johnny? What is this one? Let's say be polite. Be,
Be polite.
yeah, so that is our value in this story. So now let us discuss what is be polite. So when we say be polite, so can you read this one, Johnny? Being
Be polite.
means
Be polite. Polite means
using
using good
kind
words and
actions
actions at
that
that
show
show
respect,
respect and courage.
care, care,
Yeah, for older
other
people.
people.
Other people. It's about making older feel good and comfortable.
Very good. So thank you so much. So now let's read this word again. Johnny, let's say comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes, very good. So it is silent O and R. So that would be comfortable. Next, let's read this word.
Comfortable.
Yes, very good. So good job. Let's read this word. Let's say other. Other.
Comfortable.
Other. One more
Other.
time. Yes, very good. Next, let's say care. Care. Can we
Care.
care? Next, this word, let's say kind.
Kind.
Very good. So good job. So this is our being polite. So when we say being polite, it is being respectful. It shows respect to other people. So for example, so these are the examples that we have in being polite. So can you read this one? What is our first phrase? We say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Very,
Excuse me.
very
Thank
good.
you. Please, 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 please. I'm
Please,
sorry.
please. I'm sorry. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Good evening.
Very good. One more time. Let's say good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, perfect. So perfect job. So these are the examples of being polite. So when we say being polite, it is being respectful to other people. So for example, let's go with excuse me. So we say this when we want to pass or get someone's attention. For example, this one. For example, "Excuse me, may I go through?" So we will use this word if we want to pass to other person, like what's in the story. So they want to see what's in front of them. That is why they said, "Excuse me," to the man. Next, Let's go with our next phrase. Thank you. So, Johnny, do you say thank you? Johnny? Johnny? Do you say thank you? Yes or no? Yes. So when we say thank you, so we said this or we say this when someone helps us or gives us something. So for example, your friend Johnny or your parents, so they gave you a toy. So what will you say when someone gives you something? So we will say thank you. Thank you for this. Thank you for that. So that is the use of thank you. Next. So please, our next one is please. Can you say
Please.
please? Papa,
Please.
please. Yes, very good. So for this word, so we use this word when we ask something kindly. For example, I want you to get something. So I will say, Johnny, can you get me your toy, please? Hello again, Johnny. So you left again. Oh no. Okay, so now our next phrase is please. So for example, I want you to get your toy. So I will say, Johnny, can you get your toy, please? So we use this to ask someone kindly. So next, I'm sorry. So we say this.
Sorry.
Yes. So we say this when we make a mistake or we hurt someone. For example, your parents, they are angry to you because you did something bad. So you will say to your parents, so I'm sorry, mommy, I'm sorry, daddy. So we will say that word. So next one. So we have here good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So these are friendly greetings for different times of the day. So we use this like for this. For example, good morning, teacher. Good afternoon, mom. Good evening, dad. So we use good morning when it is morning. We use good afternoon when it is afternoon. And we use good evening if it is evening. Okay? Evening or night. So that is the use of this word. So next, let's go to our next page. Let's listen.
Page 69.
Can you hear?
B. Listen and
Do you
circle
hear?
check or X.
Okay.
1.
Okay, let's
I
listen.
can't see.
I can see. So
2.
that is okay. So for our number one, is this a check or an X? I can't see.
Listen, get the chair. Listen, get the chair.
Can you is so number one. So I can't see. So is it a check or an X? Yes, very good. So that is an X. Next. Next one. So it keeps. Okay, let's listen with number. Wow, so fast, Johnny. Let's first listen. Okay, let's listen to number two.
Page 6 check or X.
I can't see.
Okay, number
Two.
2.
Excuse me.
Okay, our number 2 is excuse me. Is it a check or an X? Is it? It is. Excuse me.
Correct.
So let's look at the picture. So it is. Do you see excuse me? Yes or no? So when we say excuse me, so we ask someone kindly. So what is your answer into this, Johnny? It is. Can you circle? Circle, circle. Is it a check or an X? This is a check. So next, number 3.
3. Sure.
Sure. So our next one is sure. Wow, very good. So is this sure? Yes or no? It is an X or a check. This one, number 3. Very good. So it is an X because they still cannot see. So next. Our next one, number 4.
4.
Thank you.
Thank you. So in this picture, so let us see your answers. So for our number 1, so can you read our first one? Can you read this one, Johnny? Let's say I can see.
Page 69. B.
Can you say I can see? Let's read. I can see. Let's say I can see. So your answer is correct. So it is an X because this is the part where the man says sure. Next, number 2. Let's say excuse me. Excuse me. Can I hear your excuse me? So for this one, so this is correct. So your answer is correct. So this is a check. So let's look at the boy in the picture. So he is saying, excuse me to the man for them or for him to see what's in front. So we will say, excuse me. So next, number 3. So sure. Can you say sure? Sure. So our third picture, so it is not sure. So it is, what are they saying in this picture? They are saying, I can't see. So they cannot see something or what is in front of them. So the right answer for this one is I can see. And this one is sure. So our last number, number 4, is correct. So it is thank you. So they are saying thank you to the man because it allows them to see what is in front of them. Okay, so very good for this activity, Johnny. So now let's go to our next page. So let us sing a song. So let's listen.
Page 69. C. Sing. Excuse me.
Hey, I can't see.
Hey, I can see.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't see. Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't see. Tap, tap, tap. Excuse me. Tap, tap, tap. Excuse me. Hey, I can't
Let's
see.
see.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't see. Excuse me. Excuse me. I can't see. Tap, tap, tap. Excuse I can't see.
Can't see.
Excuse me, excuse me. I can't see. Excuse me, excuse me. I can't see. Tap, tap, tap. Ahem. Excuse me. Tap, tap, tap. Ahem. Excuse me.
Oh, sure.
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now, wow, that is our song. So now, teacher has a question for you, Johnny. So what do we say when we can't see? What do we say? We will say, excuse me. Excuse me. Yes.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
We will I can see. Excuse me. Very good. So when we can't see, so we will say excuse me. So good job. Next, what sound? What sound does the
Yes.
child
This,
what sound does the
this,
child
this.
make to get attention? So the sound that it makes is tap tap tap. Can you say tap tap tap? Ahem.
It-
Excuse me. Tap. Can you do this one? Tap tap tap. Ahem.
Tap,
Excuse me.
tap, tap. Excuse me.
Very good. So what sound does the child makes to get attention? So we will say tap tap tap. Ahem. Excuse me.
Tap, tap. Excuse
Wow, very good, Johnny. So
Tap,
good.
tap.
Ahem.
me.
Excuse me. Very good. So good job, Johnny. Let's do a high five. High five. Good job. Very good. So that is what we will say. So when we can't see, so we will say excuse me. So the sound that we will make when to get someone's attention, we will say tap tap tap. Ahem. Excuse me. So very good. So very good. For this activity, let's go to our next page. Okay.
Page 69.
So for this one, we will listen and say, and we will act. Okay. Let's go first with listening. So first, let's listen.
Page 69. D.
Listen.
Listen and say. Then act.
Excuse me. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Now, let's say, excuse me. Can you say, excuse me? Johnny, can you say, excuse me? Excuse me. Sure. Johnny, are you there? Johnny. Yes. Johnny, let's say, excuse me. Excuse me. Sure. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sure. Thank you. Let's say, can I hear your excuse me? Excuse me. Excuse me. Sure. Let's say sure. Sure. Sure.
Sure.
Very good. And let's say thank you. Thank you. What will you say?
you.
Oh, wow, very good. Thank you. Next, let us answer this. Thank you. Let's answer this one. So what will the girl? Let's look at the picture. So
Page 69. D.
So for this one, what will you
Excuse me.
excuse me? We will say excuse me. What?
Excuse me.
Sure. So for this picture,
Thank you.
thank you. So for this picture, we can see that this girl, so she cannot get the ice cream because someone is in the front. So she said, excuse me. So this girl said, sure. And what will we say after? We will say thank you. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Very good. Now
Thank
let's
you.
go. Thank you. Now let's go to this child or children. What do we say?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Very good.
Excuse me.
And what will the boy?
Sure.
Sure. And what will we
Sure.
say after?
Thank you.
Thank you. Very
Thank
good.
you.
Now let's do a quick role play. So I will say, excuse me. What will you say? What will you say? I will say, excuse me. What will
Sure.
you say? Sure. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, now you start. Say, excuse me. Can
Thank
you?
you.
Thank you. Very good. Can you say? Now let's switch roles. So you are the one who will say, excuse me. It's your turn. Can you say, excuse me?
Excuse me.
Sure. What will you say after
Excuse
sure?
me.
What will you say
Thank
after sure?
you.
Thank you. Very good. Good job. So that is for our lesson for today. So Johnny, so you did a great job in today's lesson. So I can see that you can really understand our sentence pattern here, which is being polite. So when we say excuse me, so it is getting someone's attention. So when they say sure, we will say thank you because they are allowing us to get in front, to get what we will get. So that is being polite. And that is for our lesson for today. Okay. So now teacher has another question, Johnny. What is the title of our story? The title of our story is
Can see.
I Can See. Very good. So when we can see something, what will we say? We will say, excuse. What we will say? When we can see something, we will say, excuse me. So we will say, excuse me. Excuse me. So what is okay now? So it is the end of our lesson, Johnny. So thank you so much for your active participation in our today's lesson. So I do appreciate your presence today. And